This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
Hi there. Today, we're going to practice subtracting three-digit numbers. There are many different strategies you can use when subtracting. We're going to use place value blocks and number lines to help us subtract. Let's get started. Here, we have 168 minus 9. To subtract, let's use a number line. We can start at 168 on our number line. Since we're subtracting, it will need to go on the right side of our number line. Great. Now let's subtract. We need to subtract 9, but there's a number close to 9 that is easier to subtract. Do you know what number that is? It's 10. So let's start by subtracting 10. This strategy is called compensation. It will help make this problem easier for us to solve. 168 minus 10 is 158. But we subtracted too many. We were supposed to subtract 9, not 10. We subtracted 1 more than we needed to, so we need to add 1 to 158 to make up for this. This makes 159. So, 168 minus 9 equals 159. Great job! Let's try another one. Here we have 341 minus 65. Let's start with a model of 341. These blocks show 341 because there are 3 hundreds blocks, 4 tens blocks, and 1 ones block. To subtract 65, we need to take away 6 tens and 5 ones. How many hundreds, tens, and ones will be left over? First, let's subtract our ones. Our model has 1 ones block, and we need to take away 5 ones blocks. To do this, we need to regroup. We can exchange one of our 10 blocks for 10 ones. Now we have 11 ones and are able to take away 5 ones. 11 ones minus 5 ones is 6 ones. Great. Now let's subtract our tens. Our model has 3 tens blocks and we need to take away 6 tens blocks. To do this, we need to regroup again. We can exchange one of our hundreds blocks for 10 tens. Now we have 13 tens and are able to take away 6 tens. 13 tens minus 6 tens is 7 tens. There are 2 hundreds, 7 tens, and 6 ones left over. So this is the same as 276. So 341 minus 65 equals 276. Great job. Let's do one more together. Here, we have 439 minus 224. Let's use a number line to subtract. We'll start at 439, and this time we'll break apart 224 to help us subtract. 224 has 200, so we'll start by subtracting 200. We land at 239. Great. Next, 224 has 2 tens, so now let's subtract 20. This brings us to 219. Finally, 224 has 4 ones, so we can subtract 4. We end at 215. 439 minus 224 equals 215. Way to go! Now it's time for you to practice subtracting 3-digit numbers on your own. Remember that you can use strategies like compensation, place value blocks, or a number line to help you break apart the numbers. You've got this.
Head over to IXL.com for more practice on this skill and thousands more videos in math and language arts.